Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video we are back again with another singles swag unboxing. I'm honestly pretty excited about this one, you guys, and to be honest, most of you know that I originally purchased this subscription just as like a joke to kind of pick fun of the fact that I'm always single, but I've actually really been enjoying the boxes, surprisingly. So I'm very excited for this one today. I really hope that you guys are too. And if you would like to know what I got in this month's box, then let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so jumping right on in, the thing that has gotten me very excited for this box this month is the fact that it is actually a colorful box this month. So the past two boxes that I have gotten have just been all white, and it doesn't necessarily mean anything, but this is just really pleasing to the eye, especially coming from having done FabFitFun before this. Their boxes are really colorful and just really appealing, and so I do like that they did this. It's quite springy, it's pinks and blues, and then the back has got a little bit of like yellow and everything. Hashtag love yourself, which we all know that I do. Opening her up, this is what it looks like. So as you can see, we got the card and then the standard tissue paper, and it does look like there's not as much in this box, as you can see from just kind of all the empty space. But again, we're going into this with a positive attitude, and we love everything that's in here. So setting the box down, because you guys know that I am clumsy. This is the card right here. This box doesn't have any sort of theming or anything like BoxyCharm, but the card does match the box, which I'm actually really pleased about too. Aesthetics and color, it's just really fun to receive, so I do like this. And it always just says you can win your next box by posting a photo of your box, and you can always refer your friends and yada yada yada. The back, just like BoxyCharm or most other subscription services, this is a list of the products, their price, and a description. And then down here it already tells me that the whole retail value of my box is $204. So very excited to see what we got going on in here. I'm just going to move the tissue paper aside. Okay, so the first thing in the box is this Chloe Emerald Calm and Cool Essential Oil. This retails for $24. Okay, so this says this is a 100% all-natural roll-on essential oil that contains real amethyst healing stones and is designed to promote balance and relaxation. To use, roll one, swipe on wrist, temples, neck, or behind ears. So I am not an essential oil user, but it says the benefits are soothing, balancing, and promotes relaxation, while amethyst stones boost healing powers and chakra balancing. I do like the packaging. Like, it's actually really freaking cute. And yeah, so I'm gonna see what this is about. I don't know if this is something that I'm actually going to keep. I want to see if I can just smell it without having to like roll it on anything. Wow, okay, it's really cute though. So if I was into this, I would 100% be down. Like, look at the back and the inside. Like, those are stones on the inside of the bottle. That's really aesthetically pleasing. So if you're really into like oils and things like that, this could be really cool. Oh, it's a lavender essential oil. I should have guessed. I don't really love lavender. I can't smell it. Okay, so I can't smell it because I haven't rolled it, but I don't really want to. I know that sounds really bad. I'm just not an oil user. I know that I am not going to rub this on my body for any reason, so I'm actually probably going to pop this in a giveaway or something. Okay, so the next thing in this box is this serum. It is this Way of Will Brightening Face Serum, which retails for $38. It says, keep your skin looking healthy and vibrant with this lightweight, easy absorbing formula that is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and hydrating properties, particularly high in vitamins A and C, which help to brighten, tone, and revitalize the skin while reducing dark spots and repairing damaged tissues and scars. Ooh, this sounds right up my alley. Again, really do like the packaging on this. Packaging so far has been 10 out of 10 today, you guys. Not only the box, but the products on the inside. Hey! Ooh, okay, that lid was on loose. Okay, Alyssa, don't get cute, honey. But this is the way that it looks. It is really aesthetically pleasing to look at. So, I don't know. Let me see if I can... That seemed way more complicated than it should be. guys smell it so many times, because like I don't necessarily like the way that it smells. Oh, it's like yellow. Well, that was satisfying. So it's okay, so I honestly, I don't love the smell. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I don't care for it, but I do wear a lot of facial products at night, and I feel like I would like to see what this is about. You guys know that I do have a lot of dark spots. My face scars very easy from breakouts or the sun. This bottle does not feel like it's very secure at all. This lid is very stressful to me. But I think I'm going to keep that and try it out. The smell may not linger, and it may actually be very, very beneficial. So I am going to keep this and try this out. I will update you guys down in the description bar with anything that I do use, so that way you can kind of know my thoughts, since I can't really give you many now. And I will say that there was a little coupon in the box for 20% off. It says enjoy 20% off on orders over $50 at thewayofwill.com. And I will put all the information as well as the code itself down in the description bar. So you are more than welcome to take advantage of that if you would like. Moving right on along, the next thing in the box is this right here. This is an Amelia Rue curved bar necklace. This retails for $58. So it says amplify your look with this bright multicolored stationary bar necklace. It's a perfect accessory for your spring fun. The necklace with extender measures 20 inches. Can I speak? No. Packaging again, freaking adorable. I love that it's like tie-dye and that like it goes like this. It's really... Packaging is just like, oh my gosh, on 100 today, you guys. Oh my gosh. That's adorable. Can you guys see that? Come on. Is that not so cute? So I will say the chain itself does feel a little bit cheaper than the circle necklace I got in my very first box. It still does retail for $58, which I don't necessarily agree with, not the way with this, the way that the chain feels, but you know. Oh man, that is so cute. That is so freaking cute, you guys. Look at that. Oh, I do really like it. Okay. There is a plus. It's probably my favorite thing in the box so far, which is very, very fun for me. Okay, so next thing in the box is this right here. Oh, it's heavy. Okay, so this is the Avani Dead Sea Mineral Mud. This retails for $20. So this says this therapeutic mineral mud is extracted in its natural unprocessed state directly from the Dead Sea. Made a journey. The mud is rich in minerals and naturally active ingredients including magnesium, potassium, calcium, and zinc, and has been widely utilized since ancient times to promote healthy, vibrant skin. Apply the mud in a thick layer over the body, leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Okay. So I'm excited. I have reservations at first just because I'm like, logistically, I'm like, where am I gonna, I'm about to like be naked, slather it on myself, stand in the tub, and just wait. But I'm gonna do it. I am going to do it. I'm actually quite excited to see how this works. I've always wanted to do, you know, like mud baths and extreme things that you see in like really expensive spas that I am not going to pay for, but I'm very intrigued. And again, I will let you know in the description box like how this goes for me, how much of my body it covers, if I think it's truly worth 20 bucks. But the 20 bucks does not sound bad, like right off the bat. I mean, it is 14.1 ounces of product in there, so I'm pretty excited to see how this works. It's just gonna be funny, me like standing in my shower like with mud on my body. But regardless, pretty excited about that. It's very, very different and very unique, and it's something I've never done. So I'm excited to see what's up. Okay, so the next thing in the box is this Sienna May On My Way Passport Travel Wallet. This retails for $28. It just says, whether traveling the globe or staying local, this chic, durable, vegan leather wallet has slots and pockets for every form of payment and identification, including your passport. Interesting. So I actually have never owned anything like this, just because, I don't know, I just always have my purse and stuff. But honestly, oh my gosh, it does say On My Way. That's cute. And it does open up on the inside, and it has a slot where you would stick, you know, like your passport, and it has another slot here, and then card slots. It has 3 of them, 2, 3. I don't know how well you can see that because it's black. This is actually really, really cute. Okay, so there are 2 more things in the box, and they like go together, so I'm going to show them at the same time, and I'm going to butcher the name of this, but it looks like the Hikari eye and then lip crayon. So it is a duo, and this duo retails for $32 together. It says, this set of thick retractable eye and lip crayons glide on smooth and highlight your important features while increasing definition. It's 100% cruelty free. It looks like the eye crayon comes in the shade caramel and the lip crayon comes in the shade desert. So we're just going to swatch these really quick. I'm pretty excited. We haven't received a ton of makeup in this box, which is not a bad thing. You know, it's not a makeup subscription service, but because you guys know I do really, really enjoy makeup, I think it could be fun. This is what the packaging looks like. It's really chunky, and it's got matte packaging, and I'm not gonna lie, this does feel a little bit cheap just because it is just plasticky versus, say, the like nude sticks. This is kind of the vibe that it gives me. Oh, okay, so there is the lip crayon. Not bad. Very smooth, very creamy. Oh, that's really pretty though. Oh man, that's lovely. So this is the eye shade right here. I mean, it looks kind of fake. I don't know how to describe it. Yeah, it smells kind of like crayons. You know the smell of crayons? Wax. That's kind of what it smells like. I'm not going to let that deter me though, because I did rub them all over my hands. I am going to give these a go. I will try and use them in a video soon, so that way you guys can see them in action. And I will say they are retractable, which is really nice. So that's very exciting. But yeah, you guys, that is everything in this. Oh, I lied to you. I moved these aside because I like to save the food portion for last. And I forgot, because they were sitting here, that I hadn't told you about them. So just kidding, you guys. We have 1 but 2 more things again. So these are the Puppies Macaroons, and we actually got 2, which is pretty exciting because my last 2 boxes you only get 1 thing. So these retail for $4, and I don't know if that means $4 together or $4 apart. But they say that these decadent, delicious macaroons made in Belgium are chock full of fresh coconut and other all-natural ingredients, non-GMO and gluten-free. This just looks like a regular coconut macaroon, and this looks like one with little chocolates on it. So I will, as always, take a little bite and tell you guys how I feel. I know for sure that if I don't enjoy this, my mother will gobble it up. Ooh! I don't know why I thought it would be hard, but it is actually quite soft feeling. Very soft. You guys see that? Mmm. Mmm. Wow. So I don't love coconut too much. I like it in my skincare, and I like it in my pina coladas. Much after that, it's not really my favorite. Like, it's not a bad taste. I think it's more of a texture thing, but that was really good. I'm going to try the chocolate one as well. Oh, yes, it's not just chocolate on the top. Thank you. Well, it's the exact same thing. Just chocolate. Okay, you guys, so those were actually really, really good. I actually think that I like the plain one better than the one with chocolate on it, which is really saying something because I love chocolate so much. But those were very, very moist and fresh, and they had a very real type of coconut taste to it, not that artificial kind of coconut flavor, which I really was pleasantly surprised by. I will definitely probably have another bite and then give the rest to my mom because she loves coconut, so she's going to Love these. So I would say that those are the best snacks that I've received in a box thus far. So I'm very pleased with that aspect of it, because that has been kind of a downfall for my other boxes. I literally took bites of those snacks and threw them away. So I'm pleased to know that at least these ones will be eaten. And so yeah, that was everything in the box. Pleasantly surprised, like I said, you guys. The total retail value of my box was $204, and as of now, the only thing that I am giving away is the essential oil, and that's just because I know I'm not going to use it. I love the packaging. I love the packaging. I love the way the oil looks. It's very, very pleasing, but there's no reason for me to keep it, because I know there are many people who really do like essential oils, and I know the lavender one is good to like help you sleep and calm you down, so it can be very beneficial to someone else. So by subtracting that from my total value, my new value becomes $180. Still a really good value for the amount of money that I paid for my boxes. And overall, I'm super excited, you guys. Again, don't forget, I am going to test out everything down below. So you can check in the description bar to see how I felt about the serum, the mud mask, and the lip and eye crayons. I will update you on all that there. As for the necklace, this is probably my favorite item thus far, because I haven't tried the other things, but this is my favorite thing that I got in this box for sure. It definitely wasn't what I pictured when I was reading the description. It's better, so I'm very, very happy with this. Do I think it is worth $58? You guys, no. The chain itself just doesn't feel like it would be worth that much, but I didn't have to pay $58, so I'm gonna use it. But yeah, you guys, that is all for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Again, if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and I would love it if you are enjoying my content, if you would please consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload a brand new video, and also come follow your girl on Instagram at AlyssaNPope, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!